This question asks us to compare elements of two lists and print out non-common elements using difference function. First, we need to make those lists. I'm going to make the list 1 first. And in this list, I'm going to pass in green, tree, there's a bunch of strings. So table, and then, for instance, sun. And then in the second list, list 2, I'm gonna put green, tree, and then I'm gonna put plate. So to find the non-common elements, we need to, one of the ways to deal with this is to convert the list to set. And we know that set is a container that doesn't accept basically double data. So no repetitive data such as string, integer, float. And that's good for this type of problems. So let's convert our list to set. So we say, very simple, set list 1, and then I'm gonna store this object in a, basically this set or newly created set in a variable called list set. And because we have two lists, I'm gonna call it list 1 set. Then I'm gonna do the same thing exactly for the second list. I'm gonna call it list 2 set, and this is list 2. And now we can print that, see what we get. So let's print list 1 set, and then print list 2 set. See what we get. And there you go. You see that curly brackets? So that curly bracket shows that this is a set now. Now we're ready to compare these two lists or these two sets. So for this reason, I'm going to use dot difference, which is a function that can help us finding non-common elements. So print, you can say list 1 set. Now dot difference, and then you can pass in the second list in that parenthesis. So very easy. You put the set here, 1 set here, then dot difference, and then in parentheses you pass in the second set, and then you print it. So I'm gonna comment out these two, and now there you go. You get the non-common element here, table, and sun, which is just representing the list 1 or set 1. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it.